Hey guys, before we start the video, I just want to say that there is a little bit of some background noise. I don't really know how to take it out, so if you hear like a buzzing sound from my camera or whatever the case may be, please bear with me. And yeah, so continue with the video. You know, the art of oatmeal is so distinct. I want to show y'all a couple of tricks on how to get the best oatmeal possible. A lot of y'all have been DMing me, asking me questions on like, how do you make oatmeal? How do you make the best oatmeal possible? So here's how you make it. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stir. Like, just like this, just stir. Look at that. We're gonna take a cutting board. All cutting boards are beautiful in their own way. Look at that. And so you're probably wondering, we're making oatmeal. What do we need a cutting board for? Well, I'll show you what. I'm like, well, I'll show you what we need a cutting board for. This right here is the key dynamic. You want to take a knife, but not just any knife, my friends. This is not the right knife. You have to get the right knife. This is the knife that you need. Y'all see the difference? This one, it's voluptuous, it's curvy, it has the design. This one, flat, don't need it. Don't need it at all. You can toss it away, throw it away. We gonna use the curvy, voluptuous, Crayola looking scissor art, 2nd grade, 100-day school year, macaroni. First, we gotta wash it. Just like that. Apples on the side with your Happy Meal. That is what we want here. You know, nothing in life is perfect. We all got, you know, things that make us weird. And apples are not exempt from that. I know you guys don't have the chef skills that I have. I know that not everyone is as talented as me. And I'm aware, you know, I'm aware. You might be the worst chef ever, but at least you are self-aware. A lot of people don't have talent. It's important to be self-aware of that. There we go. Perfect. Just slice, slice, slice. Right there. Slice, slice. Right there. Just like that. Slice. You know, we just go slice. Our voluptuous apples. Our oatmeal is drying, and we don't want dry oatmeal. We want voluptuous oatmeal. Boom, boom. We want to give our oatmeal a little bit of some sprinkle, some flavor. And remember, guys, you are not perfect, but I am. I recently was talking to Gordon Ramsay, and he had FaceTime me, and he was like, I love your cooking. I love it so much. You know, I love it. And that just goes to show that, you know, practice really does make perfect. I've been cooking since I came out my mom's womb, and I gotta tell you that all the effort really did pay off. We got that guy who's in every cooking show there is. He tells me how great my work is. So that just goes to show that, you know, you guys might not be able to get those calls, but I am. So there, y'all, there we go. We have our voluptuous apples. It's hot. We just brown sugar. If you use white sugar in your oatmeal, get fired. All right, quit. Don't cook ever again. We're gonna take our freshly voluptuous apples that we cut. Now I want y'all to watch my hand motion, because it is very, very just like that, making sure it's very much voluptuous. We are sanitary, so we don't want no food lying on the floor. So if you drop some food on the floor, just put it right back in the bowl. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Remember, guys, not everyone can be as good of a chef as me, but at least you tried. It's the thought that matters and the thought that counts. Make sure you give it a like, a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will tell Gordon Ramsay that y'all said hi.